Okay, we're going to make some supper today. Unpause. Okay. We're going to make some sausage today. Fresh pork sausage. And happy New Year's Eve to everybody. Today's my daughter's birthday. She's 31 today. They're shooting fireworks already outside. Somebody is. Watch for a video. I've got one coming up here in a little bit. It's Ree Drummond's cake. Her recipe. Pioneer woman. Her recipe. Okay, let me put this on pause and I'll be right back because I got to let the skillet warm up. The skillet's ready. Okay, we're going to turn it down since it's cooking good. Okay, we're going to put the buns that we got for these in the oven. So we're going to let the oven warm up and I'll be right back with you. Let's put the buns in the oven at 350 for 8 minutes. Okay, we got some corned beef hash. Now, I'll tell you something's going to be good with this. If you make you a fried egg and put it on top of your corned beef hash, and then let the yellow bust on top of it, it's going to be good. Try that for breakfast one morning and see if you don't like it. I put 1/3 cup of water in it. And put some black pepper. And I'm just going to keep on stirring it till it gets hot. where I could take it off the burner. Okay, we're going to put fresh tomatoes on our sandwich. I want mustard on mine. Probably going to put cheese on it too. The sausage is done. The corned beef hash is done. Okay, and we'll be back with you when I get ready to put everything together. Okay, we got cheese and mustard on this. Now we're going to put a sausage patty on it. Okay, we're going to put a fresh slice of tomato on it. Okay, then we're going to put the top on it. Remember, the buns are toasted. Okay, this is what it looks like. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Come back and see us. Thanks. Happy New Year's Eve.